Hi guys, my name is Jessica Hill. Welcome to my studio in Portland, Oregon. I'm here to share with you how I'm more successful using Fundy Designer. First, I'm going to share with you some of my most favorite products that my clients love the most and that are the most profitable for me in my studio. My favorite is called the Mississippi Collection, which is a long pano spread. There's my awesome assistant, Jessie.
This is another favorite. This is the 10 by 10 sign-in guest book album, which I love to create for my couples. This is a sign-in guest book that most of my couples end up ordering from their engagement session. It's a 10 by 10 through Miller's that I easily design using Fundy. This is linen with debossed cover. This is another fun one. This is the matted print box. This is a walnut box with 10 8 by 10 matted prints, matted to 11 by 14. What I love about this is a lot of times my clients will keep, say, 5 of the prints and then gift 5. You can also change the cover depending on the day so that it's moving artwork.
Next, I'm going to share with you how I do in-person viewings at my studio using a projector and Fundy Designer. First, there are a few tips and tricks that you definitely should know about before you do an in-person viewing. First and foremost, you need to educate your clients on the possibility of wall art. If you never bring it up, if they never see it, they will be really surprised and thrown off. Whereas if you pre-educate your clients, even from your initial homepage of your website, your clients will not be able to wait until they can see all the beautiful options that you've designed for them. During the shoot itself, I'm actually saying that one would be so great for your wall, or, oh my gosh, look at this incredible photo. This would be so perfect for so-and-so's bedroom. So I'm letting them know that this is going to be happening. So by the time they're actually sitting here and seeing all of their beautiful photos for the first time, they are so excited to see the different wall art options and album options that Fundy has helped me design.